So guys, once you're on Audacity, you want to click on Edit and then click on Preferences. And then you want to set your playback device to your speakers that you want to use. You also want to make sure that your recording device has been set correctly. Then you want to click on the Recording tab. And then you want to untick Hear Other Tracks for Recording. And then you want to click on Quality. You want to set your default sample rate to either 48,000 or 44,000. And then you want to set your default sample format to 32-bit float. Now for the next step, you want to head over to Search and type in Sound Settings. Click on it. Now next to Output, you want to make sure that your default speakers have been selected. Then you want to scroll down and then do that for Input as well. And then next to Format, you want to change this to either 48,000 or 44,000. And you want to put your input volume to at least 80. Now we're going to click on Sound. Then we're going to scroll down to the very bottom and then click on More Sound Settings. And then once we're on this, we're going to head over to the Recording tab. And then you want to double click on your microphone. You want to set this to the highest option that you have. And then you want to click on Levels.